everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Nikki from Team Gyan Kshetra. So as we were discussing yesterday that there is an expectation that NEET PG is going to be postponed. So we have an official confirmation right now from Dr. Harshvardhan. He has clearly stated that the NEET PG exam would be postponed for next 4 months. So exam is not going to take place till 31st of August. And even after that, you will be given a proper 1 month notice period before the exam is going to be conducted so that you can start your preparation at that point in time. Also, the same news has been confirmed by the PMO office also. Now coming to the second point, which was that whether they would make it mandatory for each and every student to come and join the COVID duties. So as of now, they have not said that they are making it mandatory for you all to join the COVID duties. But yes, looking into the dire situation and need right now, they have asked the various state and union territories to contact the NEET aspirant and ask them to come and join the COVID duties. This is something which they've asked the state and the union territories to do on their respective part. But central government is as of now not going forward with a compulsory COVID duties. It's completely up to your wish whether you want to join the COVID duties or you don't want to. Also, as there was news that people who are going to serve in the COVID wards or they're going to do COVID duties, they would be given incentives. So they have clearly told that the students who are going to work in the COVID department or do COVID duties for next 100 days, they would be given a benefit of government job, as was discussed yesterday also. So you would be getting a priority in your government recruitment. Also, you would be given award, which is your Prime Minister COVID National Service Award, which would be given to you once you complete your 100 days of your service. Apart from that, guys, I know the morale would be quite low. There would be a lot of anxiety. But as we all know that right now the situation is not right and our country requires doctors. So if you are willing to go forward and work, please, you can do your bit. And if you want to study, you can do that also. There's no point of getting disheartened because nothing is in our hand right now because of the COVID situation. We all have to wait and watch for the official notice once it comes. So guys, if there is any further update regarding the same, we'll be updating you for the same. But rest one thing is very sure that your NEET PG exam would be happening somewhere by the end of September or most probably by mid of October. A reason, if exam is not going to be conducted till 31st of August, so definitely till then there's no exam. So that means they will be giving you 1 month notice period, that is from 31st of August till 30 days, that is your 30th of September. So post that only the exam would be conducted. So it could be somewhere in and around first week or second week of October. So guys, if there's any update or any notification, will be coming out with another video. And if you have any doubt, any query, you can directly get in touch with us at 011-450-81755, and you can visit us on our website, which is www.gyankshetra.com.